Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to completely deactivate the microphone on your Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. To do that, shut down your computer and access the BIOS menu. After you turn off your PC, short press the power button once, and then repeatedly click the F2 key until you see this BIOS dashboard in front of you. Here, select Integrated Devices on the sidebar. Once you select this option, scroll down until you find the audio section. In order to disable the microphone completely, uncheck this checkbox and then click Apply Changes. You can also disable audio by switching this toggle off and clicking Apply Changes, but this will also disable your internal speaker. Once you apply the changes, you can exit either by clicking Exit in the bottom right corner of your screen or by pressing Escape and selecting whether you want to keep changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.